I'm asking you, what is your acceptable budget to get the official result just for the concrete structure? Okay, let's say it's 50 million, all right, or 70 million, so I can also negotiate with them. All right, and then I will get back to you. Okay, just want to let you know that we already got the result, and the number is, for us, is too much for what you are asking. All right, so once again, please do understand that whatever we do, we are doing on your best interest. Okay, okay, this is not for me. All right, it's for your best interest, because just in case something happen along the way, you are the one who's going to be, on a losing side, and we don't want that happen to our client. Right, I hope you understand, and thank you for your understanding. All right, I'll get back to you. Okay, bye bye.